The World Health Organization (WHO) has issued an alert on 4 cough syrups made by India-based Maiden Pharmaceuticals. The 4 cough syrups listed are promethazine oral solution, cofexmalin baby cough syrup, Markov baby cough syrup, and Magripen cold syrup, all made by the Indian drug manufacturer. The Global Health Organization warned that the deaths of 66 children from acute kidney injuries in Gambia may be potentially linked to the cough syrups, which were found to contain unacceptable amounts of diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol, which are toxic to humans when consumed and can prove fatal. The contents are known to cause kidney and neurological toxicity and have been associated with several cases of mass poisoning when consumed with drugs. The Indian government has started a probe into the manufacturing of these cough syrups right after WHO alerted the Drugs Controller General of India about the potentially harmful effects of these medicines. The WHO has further warned that the syrups may have been distributed outside Gambia through informal markets and that global exposure is possible.